regular physical activity, and lifestyle changes. Here are 10 effective ways to lose weight healthily. Aim for a gradual, steady weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week.
We search YouTube for the keywords for weight loss, so none of us would have thought. A weight loss animation video only 2 minutes 23 seconds. It's been viewed a staggering 12 million times. If the market is based on YouTube advertising revenue settlement, the settlement is about $15 per 1,000 plays. His YouTube AD revenue alone is $180,000. That sounds incredible to you. How do we make something like this? Slimming anim videos that don't require you to show your face. Just do some animation to introduce weight loss related topics. Content. You can go crazy and get tens of millions of views. Yeah, it's just advertising revenue. If we can redirect traffic to a weight loss product, the maximum profit per order can be 135 United States dollars commission. Then his returns will be even more insane. If the video is tens of millions of traffic, there's only one customer out of 10,000 streams. His turnover alone was 1,200. The maximum profit per order is $135. He probably made about $160,000 in commission on the sale. This is already a conservative product commission estimate. Add in the $180,000 in AD revenue just now. In total, he made $340,000 from the video. After just a simple analysis, it seemed unbelievable, but that's often what happens. I'm going to share it with you today. How to create these AI anim videos. Like he was able to channel YouTube like crazy. Turn advertising revenue. Shop to earn commissions on products. Say no more. Let's get to today's topic. Hello, I'm Timmy. My channel focuses on sharing ideas about AI making money and the topic of making money online. If you're interested in these topics, so be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and you won't miss my latest share. First, we come to ChatGPT. Send Chat a message about what are the 10 most effective ways to lose weight healthily. Let's see what kind of original copy ChatGPT can produce. We just need to use it as a copywriter. You can create videos of our AI animations. The tool site in this installment video. I'll be on the front page of my channel. This AI toolbox. You can find it here. I used these URLs for this issue. You don't need to record these URLs. You can use this AI toolbox. Come for a relaxing visit. This ChatGPT website. This is the website of AI creation animation. We click open to register an account. Account after the account is registered. You can go backstage, like the one I saw, so that we can, according to their language habits, set it up here. Click Set Up Your Account. There's a Settings button over here, and then to choose languages of different countries. Choose according to your own language habits. Next, we just need to ChatGPT. Copy it down with good copy content. Click this button to copy it. Then came to this is the creation of AI animation website. You see a tools menu in the upper right corner. We click and see that this is the tool to set up the AI. Then continue. When you log in, this is text one-click animation creation. What we're doing today is text-based animation. Let's hit create. Then we created the size of our anim 16:9. What is the genre to choose for your creation? I choose to be healthy. Choose which type you are. I chose the second health secret. Click Create. He already has the content here, but we don't need his content. So click on the top right corner to clear everything, and then paste everything that we just copied. Let's just tweak the content. You can see this row right here. We see too little content, and then adjust it up. And we noticed that the paragraph was too long. We can break it down into 2 sentences. If you think this sentence is still too long, you can also break it into 2 sentences. Then the resulting video will be even more perfect. And we can tweak that sentence. See sentences that are too long. You can also break it into 2 sentences. And then we click here to see that. Clicking on it automatically gets you. What is the content type of this article? We chose to lose weight. We chose to automatically get highlighted text. Here you can set according to your own needs. Click to tick. Just take your text and turn it into a voiceover, so you don't need to convert text to speech. So he saves a lot of time here. You can also choose different language types here. The next choice is which country. The choice is a man or a woman. I choose a man. Then you can choose different types types of pronunciation styles. You can also listen to the sounds of these sounds.
I'm Matthew from Steve. I'm one of the voices you can use to make your
Hello, I am Joey from Steve.
Let's choose a type you like, and then get this video. Finally, let's click Next. You can see that he has come to choose your template. Then we can choose the first template. How about we try it out? You can see it doesn't take 5 minutes. He created this anim video. We can see these things above. We can all adjust and replace. You can also enlarge these pictures and resize them. Or we could replace these pictures. Different picture types. So there are many types of images here. So you can see that there are different types to choose from. And the animation here. You can also click to select a different animation. We can adjust the size of it. You can also adjust the size and font of the text. Different font styles. So you can design them according to your own preferences. Its background can also be changed. You can click on its background. Use to click to change different background styles. This is a background picture of a workout. We can also try to see how it works.
Here are 10 effective ways to lose weight healthily. 1. Set realistic goals. Set achievable and realistic weight loss goals. Aim for a gradual, steady weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week.
So through this software is not very simple and easy. You can press a button to create a professional animation video. You can create such an anim video by introducing it. It will only take a few minutes for you to finish. And then we adjusted everything. You can click to get this video. The sound we just heard can still be altered. The sound of music with this background. You can adjust the volume. You can also delete the background music. And then we click to get this video. When your video is done, you can go through YouTube. Upload your video to YouTube. Earn your advertising revenue. This is the first type of income. Then we came to ClickBank. There's a second kind of payoff. That's when we came to ClickBank's market. See, this is a list of the best-selling products. Let's open this directory. As you can see, these products are the best sellers. That is, the products that people are most concerned about health issues. Now we can promote his product. To get a hefty commission of $135, as high as $151. Click on the promotion product to enter your account. Then click Get Your Product link. Then browse to copy your AD link. How do you earn your commission? That's when a customer clicks on your link. When the customer clicks on your product link, go to product page. They bought the product. You can get a commission for it. If today's topic, a little bit of help with your idea of making money on AI. I hope you get a free like for this video. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments section below. If I have the latest idea of AI making money, I will be the first time share with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.